In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to verify your age on Roblox on your mobile app. So the first thing we need to do is to go into Roblox right here, and then we need to click on more in the bottom right corner. So just click on more, and then it should now take you to this page right here. So on this page, just scroll down until you can see settings right here. So click on settings. And as you can see, it should now take you to this page, which is perfect. Now click on account info right here. Then we're just going to wait, and you can see it's already verified for me right here. But what you can also do, by the way, is that you can either use an ID to verify your birthday, or if you have the option to continue with a selfie, I would actually personally ask you to do that instead, to be completely honest with you, at least in my opinion. Because when you continue with a selfie, the only thing that you need to do is to basically just take a selfie, and then Roblox will then basically estimate your age group, if that makes sense. That one went really fast for me, and it's quite accurate. It's not 100% accurate quite often, but it is quite accurate, to be completely honest, in general at least. Or you can also click right here where it says that you have to use your ID. So if you do have an ID, this is also a good thing to do. So you can see you need a government ID, and it will use to verify your birthday. And then basically you have to click on continue, and then you have to take a photo of your government issued ID. So that is also one way to actually verify your age. So this is basically exactly how to do this.